to finish off the year last year was really fun. Pretty stressful, so to be here at home now, been home probably about a month and a half, and yeah, it's just been a lot of fun being at home, surfing my local waves, and just enjoying myself and enjoying the time off.
Have you been up to anything else while you've been back?
Yeah, we've done a few things actually. You know, we had Christmas with my parents. That was different, and I haven't had that in like 10 years, so that was really cool. And then yeah, just traveling around, you know, South Africa with my girlfriend, and going to the Queen's Play, and obviously the retro event's really cool today.
So you're leaving soon for your first tour of the year, for the season. How are you feeling ahead of that?
Yeah, feeling really good. Basically, you know, I leave on the 12th of Feb, and yeah, it's just going to be a full-on year ahead of there. So yeah, kind of training starts now, and everything starts now, and yeah, I think from tomorrow, you know, got to get pretty serious and get back in the gym and start surfing 3-4 times a day.
Okay, so what exactly does your training involve? I mean, how many hours a day do you put in the gym and in the water?
Well, hours a day, you know, it depends on the day. Obviously the waves are breaking, and you know, the gym will always be there, but I guess that's my little, you know, secret that I have when I work out. No weights, nothing like that, but yeah, just a few little techniques that I like to use.
How did you develop that?
Just kind of through the years of surfing, I figured out, you know, what actually I need to surf and what my body needs, you know, compared to everybody else's. And everyone's different, you know, everyone likes to train a little differently, and I just kind of guess I found out what works for me.
So maybe one day when you retire, you'll let everyone in on your secret.
Definitely.
Okay. And just tell me, I mean, Travis is joining you on the tour this year. Do you think it's going to be nice to have that companionship, South African companionship, or do you think it might get quite competitive actually?
Oh, it's great to have him there. He's my best friend. He's one of my best friends, and I love having him there. You know, I love seeing him do well, and I love seeing, you know, I'm sure he loves seeing, you know, me do well, and I think we just feed off each other. It's really good that, you know, there's only two of us, but you know, strong couple, that's for sure.
Okay, so you're off to the Gold Coast. Who's going to be your main competition there?
Yeah, off to the Gold Coast. You know, I think definitely the usual suspects. You know, Kelly, Mick, Joel, Taj, and even, you know, Travis. He's a really good backside surfer out there, so I'm kind of just going to focus on my own game and just do the best I can, I guess.
Where do you aim to finish this year?
This year, I definitely aim to finish number one, for sure. This year I'm putting my head down hard and going to give it a good go, and yeah, hopefully I come out with the win.
So you had an injury a while back. Has that healed up nicely?
Yeah, I had an injury. I got injured in Tahiti. That was a really bummer for me because I was leading the ratings at the time, and you know, I learned a lot from it though. You know, I guess, you know, where bad stuff happens like that, you know, I think that's where the good stuff happens inside, and you know, I definitely learned a lot, and yeah, it's something I can take into this year and be more careful about.
And just lastly, I mean, you young guys must be counting down the days until Kelly finally retires.
Actually, I'm not. You know, I want him to hang around for as long as possible because I want to beat him bad, and I want him there. So, yeah.